Hey guys, we're going to do another couple things today. We got some different shit to eat here, but anyway, if you watched the video yesterday, it was the Popeyes chicken sandwich, the original, still the best. Here's Wendy's version of it. I did add mustard to it, so it's a little different. I mean, not mustard, but lettuce to it, so it's a little different. But there's just no comparison. There's just no friggin' comparison. That looks nothing like that Popeye sandwich did. I'll give it a taste though. Popeye's are real juicy. This really isn't. I told them extra mayonnaise, so they put as usual. If you tell them extra, you get absolutely none. And that's what happened here. Um, now, in comparison, that's the huge. Supposed to be huge. And now here's the version, which is not much smaller, of their mixed chicken. Not really that much better, I mean, or different. Um, I hadn't. Look at that. I had tried those. I hadn't tried this one. I think I tried that one. But basically, just want to do a quick video to show you Wendy's version of the Popeyes chicken. It's it's not that. It's not Popeyes. So see you later, guys.